Hey kids, it's dinner time again, and tonight we're just going to make a very simple chicken burger. Let me show you what I've gotten ready for the cook. Okay, in this bowl I have a pound of ground turkey. I have some breadcrumbs and a whole egg, some Dijon mustard, some low sugar ketchup, some salt right in there, some pepper, garlic powder, onion powder, and a half a cup of chives. So I want to mix this up and get the griddle hot and start cooking. Alrighty, so I got everything all mixed up. It's looking pretty good. Now, if you want to make the burgers a little firmer, you can take and chill this a little bit before you put it on the griddle. But I have not done that. It's getting kind of late and I just want to go ahead and get it cooked. I got my griddle on the stove warming up. And I have some chicken fat from where I've cooked up some chicken the other evening. And I saved it and put it in the fridge. So I'm going to use that to season my griddle with instead of any kind of other oils. I think that'll give it some more flavor. So as soon as the griddle's fouled up, we get these patties put together and get them on the stove cooking. Alrighty, the griddle's hot enough. So I am just scooping out a little bit here at a time. I'm not going to be making anything precise, and just going to grab it like that and form it onto the skillet. Alright, I'm going to get another scoop here. And I think we got room for one more. Okay. And we got a little bit left over in the bowl, so I'll just add it to this guy over here. Until it's all gone. Yep. There we go. Just going to let them cook a little bit. Get a good sear on there. And then we'll flip them over and let it cook some more. Alrighty, so we have gotten them on the stove. They've been cooking for a little bit. And I'm doing the first flip. And they're looking really, really good. So we're just going to flip the last two here. And let them keep cooking. So we'll be back here in a bit. Oh yeah. I might add a little more of that chicken fat down in here too, just to make sure things don't stick. Like I said, this was the leftover chicken fat from when I cooked over some fried chicken the other evening. Not a whole lot, that's what you don't need, just enough to give it some flavor. So we'll be back in a little bit. Well, they're all done. Let me show you what they look like. Well, they're all done. There you go. Turkey burgers. That's what for dinner.